So we very cautious about it. And the thing is, today the topic which we will be reading, that topic will be tea, as we people were reading yesterday. The same topic we will be reading today, that will be tea. Now, whatever we people have read yesterday regarding tea, do anybody of you people have any query on that? Anybody have any query on that? Yes, students? Do anybody have any query of the yesterday's topic which you people have read? And as well, I have sent you the notes. How many of you people have already seen that notes which I have shared with you in the WhatsApp? Did you check that notes, or you didn't got time to check because you people are quite busy of preparing your videos? Tell me. Yes, students? Nobody will respond. Okay, no problem. Okay, just hold on a minute. Okay. Abdullah Mullah.
Yes, sir.
You are coming from two areas. Two areas. I do not know. Okay, no problem. Okay, you be there. No problem. Okay. Now let's start with the topic which we people were reading yesterday. Okay, let me complete the topic. Let me share the screen with you people and show you the whole thing which I was showing you. Is the screen is clear with you people, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I think it's quite bigger as well, and I have told you that we will tell you the manufacturing process of tea. Now guys, try to understand one thing. One is manufacturing process, another one is manufacturing process, and another one is what? Another one is the preparation process. Yesterday, the thing which we people have read means, I'm talking about this. Which we people have read. How to prepare the tea. We have read now how to prepare the tea. Just a minute, let me show you. That is not history, that is, we have seen storage of the tea. Yeah, this one. This we have read yesterday. And that was the preparation process of tea. This one was the preparation process. Preparation process मतलब जो हम लोग घर में नहीं बनाते, घर में कैसे बनाते हैं, वो इसको जब पीने के पहले कैसे बनाते हैं, वो तरीका को बोलते हैं मेकिंग ऑफ टी और प्रिपरेशन ऑफ टी. बट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रीड दिस वन, द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस क्या होते हैं? मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस मीन्स हाउ द टी इज बीइंग प्रोड्यूस्ड इनसाइड द फैक्ट्री. चाय का जो फैक्ट्री होते हैं, उस चाय के फैक्ट्री में चाय कैसे बनते हैं, वो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. देखिए क्या होता है. Black tea goes to the four main steps of manufacturer. What is this? First one, withering. What is withering? The objective of withering is to reduce the moisture content of the tea leaf. Can you see this line? Can you see this line, guys? Can you see this line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this line says, I am making it red as well. See, this line says the objective of withering is what? To reduce the moisture content of the tea. Always remember, when you are taking a leaf, might be you have just plucked a leaf from a tree. Now the tree is very this leaf is very flexible. Now why this is very flexible? Because the tea have lots of moisture content in it. Okay, now you keep those leaf in the sun rays for might be 1 hour, I mean 1 day or 2 days. Then what will happen? That moisture content of the tea will be reduced, and the leaf will be hard in nature. It will break. It will lose its flexibility. Now what is happening? It is reducing its moisture content. वो उसके अंदर जो पानी का content है, वो इवापोरेट हो जा रहा है वहां से, तो क्या हो रहा है, पत्ता थोड़ा कुरकुरा बन जा रहा है। एंड दैट्स द दिस इज द टेक्निक व्हिच इज कॉल्ड withering. Okay, the plucked leaves are laid out through through where the air is passed through the tea, removing the moisture. Very simple. Means we are keeping the leaves in such a place where the air is going. If the air is going, they will remove the moisture from there. This can take up to 70 hours, and by the end of the process, leaves have wilt, wilted wilted appearance मतलब थोड़ा सा कार्ली टाइप का, थोड़ा सा क्या बोलते हैं उसको, थोड़ा सा काला काला टाइप का लगता है वो पत्ता, और थोड़ा सा वो कुरमुरा टाइप का बन जाते हैं, वो थोड़ा सा कुरमुरा टाइप का बन जाते हैं। वही चीज वो बोल रहा है यहाँ पे, समझ में आया बेटा? दैट इज देयर टॉकिंग अबाउट, दैट्स कॉल्ड विदरिंग। नेक्स्ट इज रोलिंग। नाउ क्या होता है रोलिंग? देखिए, दिस वन इज कॉल्ड रोलिंग। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रोलिंग। व्हाट इज दैट? What is orthodox rolling? Another one is CTC rolling. Okay, there are 4 steps. One is withering. There are 4 steps. What are those? First one is withering. Next is oxidation. Next is oxidation and drying. Okay, then and another one. This is rolling. These 4 steps are the major steps of preparation of tea. That portion which I have made blue in color, these 4 are the steps. 4 are the steps of manufacturing process of the black tea. Now, rolling is very, very important. What is rolling? What is orthodox rolling? Where the leaves are rolled between rollers until gently broken. Means those guys who's Saurabh, please switch up your mic. Okay. Now, please check it here. Now, see what happens basically when we people are using those leaves which is dry in nature. Now we are breaking those teas and we are making it curly in nature, because when you people are purchasing tea leaves from the market, you also have seen that tea leaves are basically curly in nature. वो जितना भी पत्ता आप चाय का पत्ता आप बाजार से खरीदते हो, आप देखोगे वो थोड़ा सा कर्ली कर्ली नेचर का बनते हैं। क्यों? किसी भी चीज को अगर आप उसका मॉइस्चर पूरी तरह से निकाल दोगे तो वो थोड़ा सा कुचका के जाएगा, वो एकदम एकदम एक साथ क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सिकुड़ सा जाएगा वो। तो वही सिकुड़ जाने का तरीका क्यों ये बोलते हैं ये लोग रोलिंग। तो 2 तरह का रोलिंग होते हैं। एक होता है ऑर्थोडॉक्स काइंड ऑफ रोलिंग, मतलब जो मशीन में डाल के हम लोग करते हैं। क्या है? वेयर द लीव्स आर रोल्ड बिटवीन रोलर्स until gently broken. Means we are putting those things inside the roller. Okay, let me show you a picture of the tea making steps. Okay, see in the picture they also have given you some picture here. That's a very important thing. See, withering. See, let me show you this picture more perfectly. You will be able to understand. Okay, students, is this picture is clear to you? Students, is this picture is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, what are the procedures they are telling you? First, plucking. See, this one they are talking about plucking. First, the plucking is being done. Plucking means they are taking out the leaves and the buds. Then they are doing what? Solar withering. See, I'm showing you one by one in the boxes. Check the boxes. First, they are plucking. Next, they are going for solar withering. So this is the solar withering process which we people have read. Next, indoor setting and steering. See, this is the indoor settings and steering. What is happening? They are just taking out the good leaves from there. Now this is what? Panning. What is panning? See, now they are going for another kind of drying method. See, this is the drying method. Next, in the next steps, what they are doing? See, again they are doing the drying. See, then after drying, what they are doing? They are roasting. They are roasting. See, this whole picture is of roasting. After roasting, what they are doing? They are rolling. See, they are rolling. The same rolling which we people are talking about. Here also, we people are talking about the rolling. One is orthodox rolling. See how the orthodox rolling generally happens. So this is the picture of orthodox rolling. This is the picture of orthodox rolling. Okay. Now another one is cut, turn, curl. This is what? CTC, which is called cut, tear, curl. See, cut, tear, curl, where a machine cuts and tears the leaves into small pieces. The purpose of this process is to break the leaves in leaves, as so the enzymes are released and the third step of oxidation begins. Very simple. कि हम लोग उसको पूरे पत्ते को एक तरीके से उसको काट रहे हैं, एक सिस्टमेटिक काट दे रहे हैं उसको. इससे क्या होते हैं? पत्ते के अंदर जो भी एंजाइम्स वगैरह है, पत्ते के अंदर जो भी रस वगैरह है, उसका जो भी उपादान है, वो इजीली बाहर आ सके. ठीक है. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? वी आर ऑक्सीडाइजिंग. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग मीन्स वी आर कीपिंग दोज लीव्स इन दी कंटेंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. याद रखिए, कोई भी पत्ते को आप बहुत देर तक ऑक्सीजन के कंटेंट में रख दोगे, उसको उसके पेड़ से तोड़ के, तो क्या होगा? वो काला हो जाएगा. देख लीजिए यहाँ पे, द ब्रोकन लीव्स आर लेट टू ऑक्सीडाइज और फर्मेंट. दिस वर्ड इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. This word is very very important. I am bolding this word and making it bigger. See, did you see this word? The broken leaves are laid out to oxidize or ferment. समझ में आया? Students, are you getting this? Students, समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Sure तो? Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
very good. Okay. Now try to watch this video and the whole thing, you know. Now check this. After fermentation, this part of the process is very important as they will significantly impact the overall taste and quality of the tea. This one is again a very very important. Always remember, the tea taste, the taste in the tea whichever you are getting, that is basically happening for the oxidation. Now, if those leaves are not being oxidized, then you will not even able to get the tannins from the tea. Okay. Okay. This can take up to 2 hours. Very good. Next important point is drying. To stop oxidation process, the tea leaves are heated. The dry tea is now ready to be sorted into the grades of packing. See, I'm talking about this word. See, this two process they are talking about means what? After rolling, after drying, then rolling, then again they are dry. See, ripening means they are again drying this thing, and then they are sorting out. They are sorting out the bigger size leaves and the smaller size leaves from one another. So this is the basic process of tea making. I'm showing you one more picture step by step. You could able to understand. See, this is again a very good process. This is again a very good process which you can understand. See, this is also a picture. See, withering, rolling, fermenting, drying, grinding, cleaning, and packing. That's all. So this is the exact procedure of tea making. This is the tea processing cycle. This is the tea processing cycle. This is the tea processing cycle. Clear, guys? If you want, you can take a screenshot of this thing in your mobile as well. If you want, you can keep a screenshot of this whole thing in your mobile. So this is the basic processing of tea cycle. Is it clear, students? Students, is it clear now? Shungita Barui?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rahul Singh, everybody, is it clear? Okay, now let's go in the,
Yes, sir.
very good. Now let's go in the next slide. Now we will talk about the specialty tea. Specialty tea means we have different kind of teas are available in the market, and they also have different qualities. Okay, let me show you some different kind of videos. It is, I mean, not this one. Let's show you this. Just give me a moment. Now, specialty tea. We have just read this one. Now we will talk about the specialty tea. Now, what is specialty tea? Basically, we have Assam tea, Earl Grey tea, and Kenya tea. Okay. These all are the some more kind of teas are as well there. We have first three type of specialty teas like Assam tea. This have a rich flavor or multi flavor in it. Multi flavor means थोड़ा pungent kind of flavor it have. असम टी अगर आप पियेंगे तो देखिएगा उसमें थोड़ा लीकर थोड़ा ज्यादा होते हैं, वो थोड़ा कड़क होते हैं चाय. हम लोग नहीं बोलते कड़क चाय, तो कड़क चाय होते हैं असम से, असम का आता है कड़क चाय. बट see, Darjeeling tea is a delicate tea with grape flavor and known as the champagne of teas. Champagne is the best quality of ever made alcoholic beverages. कोई भी alcoholic beverage हो तो champagnes are the best quality alcoholic beverages है. तो वैसे ही दार्जिलिंग टी को बोलते हैं टी में शैंपेन, मतलब टी में सबसे बेहतर. और आसाम टी में क्या होते हैं? आसाम टी में मल्टी फ्लेवर होते हैं, थोड़ा सा पंजेंट ब्लैक कलर का. आसाम टी है थोड़ा लिटिल pungent flavor, little huge amount of what liquors in it. Okay, so Darjeeling tea have lots of aromas in it, which we people have already talked yesterday. Now Earl Grey. Okay, Earl Grey is the blend of Darjeeling and China tea. Please try to understand this one. Earl Grey is a blend of Darjeeling and China tea, flavored with oil of bergamot. Okay, oil of bergamot. This one I'm talking about. I'm talking about this. Please try to understand. I'm talking about this. Okay, oil with bergamot. Okay, usually served with lemon or milk. This is the Earl Grey tea. Kenya tea. This tea is referred to as a refreshing tea. If you drink Kenyan tea, you will be refreshed. Kenya is a country in Africa. Okay, coming in the next slide. Lapsang Souchong. What is the pronunciation? Who will tell me? Who will tell me the pronunciation? It's Lapsang Souchong. Who will tell me the pronunciation? Shibam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you pronounce it? The top one in the
Yes.
screen. It is Lapsang Souchong. What is it?
Lapsang Souchong.
Exactly. Lapsang Souchong. It's a smoky, pungent perfume tea. It is delicate to the palate and is said to have acquired the taste and is served with lemon. Basically, it's a Chinese tea. Lapsang Souchong is a kind of Chinese tea. Okay, let me ask some more people. Okay, like whom I should ask. Okay, Abdullah Mullah. Abdullah Mullah, please respond. Abdullah Mullah, please respond. Abdullah Mullah, where are you? आप ऐसे भी गेस्ट बन के ज्वाइन किए हो, where are you? Okay, Shushmita Bala, can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Shushmita Bala, what was the pronunciation of those tea which I was talking about?
Sir, I can't see.
Oh, sorry. Okay, that is I'm talking about. Please follow the cursor. Please follow the cursor. I'm talking about this one. I'm talking about this one. The first word, his name is Lapsang Sucho. Lapsang Sucho. Please pronounce it with me. Please pronounce
Sir,
it with me. Sucho.
Lapsang Sucho.
Exactly. Lapsang Sucho. Okay. This is a Chinese kind of tea. It is very famous for its taste. Okay. It's very taste and its perfume, its aroma. Okay. Next. Tisanis tea. It is a fruit flavored tea. See, fruit flavored tea and has herbal infusion, means it's a herbal tea. It's a herbal tea. आपने तो सुना ही होगा herbal tea के बारे में. इसे tisanes are the herbal tea. Okay, used for medicinal purposes. हम लोग इसको औषधि बनाने के हिसाब से काम करते हैं. Okay, ये भी एक तरह का चाइनीज टी जो है, जो बनते हैं श्रीलंका में. चाइनीज प्रजाति ऑफ it is a Chinese species of tree which is generally grown in Sri Lanka. Chinese breed of tea generally produced in Sri Lanka. Okay. Next, Ceylon blend. Okay, is the still used in the trade name served with lemon and milk. This is also a kind of specialty tea. Next, CTC, which is called cut turtle. We have already talked about CTC. आप देखिएगा बाजार में आप जब खरीदने जाते हो तब भी लोग बोलते हैं हमें थोड़ा सीटीसी दीजिए, सीटीसी चाय नहीं मिलते बाजार में. दैट्स द सीटीसी. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? बेसिकली इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कट tar curl. See, last here we people are talking about, see, CTC, cut, tear and curl, means first you cut the tea leaves, then you tar it, then you tar it means you dry it, then you make a curl of this thing. इसको संकुचित करो और उसको बाजार में छोड़ दो. That's called CTC tea. This is also a specialty kind of tea. समझ में आया? This all things you have understood, students.
Yes,
Guys?
sir.
Okay, very good. Now let's go in the next. Brand names of tea. See, these things are very, very important. This total side is very, very important. Why? Why? Because these brand names will be asked by everybody to you people. See, Basilpur chai, Basilur tea, okay, Tipson tea, Godrej tea, Tata tea, Unilever brands, Brook Bond, Lipton. These all teas are quite famous in India. हम लोग जो बाजार में चाय पीते हैं वो यही सब है. Next, see, in Sri Lanka, these all teas are very, very important. What is that? Dilma, Dilma. Okay, this Boga One Talawa. Okay, next this one Basilu tea. These all are the brand names of tea. बाजार में टी आप, अच्छा कोई मुझे बताएगा यहाँ से, आप लोगों में से, आप लोग घर में कौन कौन सा चाय पीते हो? एक एक करके बताओ. हर्ष सुजाक, आपके घर में कौन सा कंपनी के चाय चलते हैं?
सर मैं तो नहीं पीता, एज आई सेड एट द लास्ट डे, बट हाँ
Yes.
हमारे घर में वाहताज आता है. वो वाहताज
बहुत
is
अच्छा,
one of the
वेरी
best
गुड.
companies.
ब्रुक बॉन्ड का ताज ब्रांड का चाय आते हैं, बहुत अच्छा. सौरभ, कौन सा चाय पीते हो? सौरभ, where are you? सौरभ मिसिंग. सौरभ, where are you? ओके, नहीं मिल रहा है. संगीता, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड.
Yes, sir.
Which kind of tea you generally use at your home? Which kind of tea you generally use at your home?
Sir, normal tea.
Which one? Normal tea, which one? Okay. Abdullah Mullah, can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Which kind of tea you generally use at your home? आपके
I
घर
don't
में
know, sir. I'm sir.
Tata tea, Brook
हाँ
Bond
sir.
tea. Which type of tea you generally use at your home?
আমি ঠিক জানি না স্যার।
Speak in
খাইনি স্যার।
English, man. Why you are speaking in Bengali, Abdullah? When everybody is speaking in Bengali, I mean in English, why you are speaking in Bengali, man? Try to speak in English. Okay, Shiva Upadhyay.
Yes, sir.
What kind of tea you generally use at your home?
Sir, Duncan's tea, sir.
Very good. Fantastic. It's a very good brand. Okay. Next, Sushmita Bala.
Yes, sir.
Which type of tea you generally use at your home? Which brand?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Gold?
Sir, Tata Tea Gold.
Tata Tea Gold. Very good. Very good. So this all are the different. Rahul Singh.
Yes, sir.
Which type of do you at all consume tea?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, but tell me what kind of tea you generally use at your home. Okay, when you
Sir,
will come in.
CTC
Yes,
and green tea of Darjeeling.
very good, very good. Okay, but it is not that you people cannot, I mean, cannot drink tea. The tea is a healthy one. You can also consume tea. Okay, tea is the most consumable things. Can be used as a medicine as well. Okay, next let's come in our topic. Okay, going in the next slide. These are brand names now. So we are at the end of this topic. Now please write down those questions in your copy. Students, the screen showing you some questions. Students, screen is showing you some questions. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Showing you some questions. Please write that. This is your T assignment. This is your T assignment. You have to write those things and you have to send it to me at earliest, I mean, in the next week. That is your assignment for T topic. This is your assignment for T topic. Understood.
ये माइक बंद कर लो.
Somebody switch off your mic, Sangeeta. Okay. Okay. Now, so this all are the books from where you can go for a reference study about the tea. Like these all books are there at our library. These all books are there at our library. Okay. Like our Singer Available is a very good book. You will go in the library of us in the college. You will get this book. These books are there in our library. If you want to read more about the tea, you could get several things from this book. Then Professional Guide to Alcoholic Beverage, book by Kanthal, okay, Lipinski and Robert A. Lipinski. These all books are all available at our library. You can read those books. Okay, chalo. So the tea part is almost clear. Now let me show you the notes which I have shown you. In this PowerPoint presentation I will be sharing with you. I am sharing the tea notes which I have already shared with your people yesterday. Okay. See, here also the same thing, history given, what is tea, producing country's name is also given, the same thing which you people have read, purchasing of tea, through what are the techniques we people generally purchase, the blend, the same thing which is there at your PowerPoint presentation, same thing it is given at your notes as well. Making of tea, okay, types of tea, Everything is given. Manufacturing process of tea, everything is given. Everything is given. Okay, you just read those things very carefully, because in your at your second semester, remember, at your second semester, guys, take it all telling to everybody. Okay, at your second semester, remember, most importance will be given on tea. Most importance will be given on tea, because at least 10 to 20 numbers question at your examination will be coming from tea. So please be very, very cautious about tea and the non-alcoholic beverages, whatever we people have told you. Okay. Guys, till now, anybody have any question? Students, till now, do anybody have any question? Till now, anybody have any question?
No, sir. No,
Very good. Okay, so you have all of you have understood tea very well. Okay. Today, after completion of this chapter of tea, we will just move to coffee. We will just move to coffee. Now this is coffee. Now, how many of you people generally consumes coffee? Tell me. Harshoja, do you consume coffee?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Saurabh Nath, coffee? Not responding. And guys, let me tell you one thing. Coffee is one of the most favorite drink of mine as well. I also like drinking coffee a lot, but definitely black one. And if we are drinking the freshly brewed coffee from the machine, is the most refreshing and the most stimulating one. One cup of freshly brewed coffee can make your whole day. There is a quotation. There is a one cup of freshly brewed coffee can make your whole day. And you might have seen the advertisement of the Nescafe and the Brew Coffee. Okay, so this is the coffee. Coffee is one of the largest selling drink in the hotel. And only for the coffees, we have coffee shops, coffee houses. You go everywhere, you will get coffee. Now, what are the things coffee? Let's see. These all are the things we will be reading in the coffee. Now, introduction. What is a coffee? See, this is the picture of the coffee. Okay. Did you see what a beautiful design they have made on the coffee? Do you want to learn how to do that? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. When the practical class will be starting, or when the practical class will be happening, we will be showing you how those things can be done. And believe me, guys, those things are really very easy. You need only a toothpick, nothing else to do that. You only need a toothpick, nothing else to do that. And it is really very easy to do. Okay, you can make any design on the top of the coffee, and it looks really elegant in the coffee. Okay, now what is coffee? It is naturally grown in many countries of the tropical and subtropical belt. Now, what is tropical and subtropical belts? Let's see. Tropical areas. I'm showing you. Tropical and subtropical region. See. If I take this picture of the world, if I take the picture of the world and start showing you here, then you will be able to understand this quite clearly. Okay, see, if this is the picture of the world map, if this is the picture of the world map, then try to see which are the places. This part they are talking about, tropical zone is the yellow one, means they are talking about this part of the world. They are talking about this part of the world. Okay, it's quite bigger. They're talking about this part of the world. This particular part they are talking about. This part of the world is a tropical zone. This one is a tropical zone. This are a tropical zone. Even in India, we are also somehow we comes under the tropical zone. Now, subtropical zone, see, this one is the subtropical zone of the world. Just give me a moment. আচ্ছা ম্যাডাম আমি ক্লাসের মধ্যে আছি, 2 মিনিট পরে ফোন করছি আপনাকে। আমি ক্লাসের মধ্যে আছি, 2 মিনিট পরে ফোন করছি আপনাকে। Okay. Next is okay. Did you understand the subtropical and subtropical zone, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this all portions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why you guys are so fatigued? आप लोग इतना इतना क्यों, क्या हो गया, इतना धक्का हड़ा क्यों हो? थोड़ा चार्म कहाँ क्यों नहीं है आपके अंदर में? चार्म होना बहुत जरूरी है, ठीक है? So this all are the tropical and subtropical zones, and the coffee we generally get from those tropical and subtropical zones. Basically, see, what are those? South and Central America and Asia, we get lots of coffee. It is grown in different altitude, in different climate, and in different soil, and is looked upon as a international drink consumed through the world. You go anywhere in the world, everybody drinks coffee. Coffee is the most beautiful drink ever found. Coffee is the most important drink ever found. Okay, now history of coffee. Now see, Brazil is the largest producer of the coffee. Brazil is the largest producer of the coffee in the world. Brazil. And Colombia is the second. The Ivory Coast is the third, and Indonesia is fourth. In the name of coffee, India doesn't come in it. But remember, in India also we are producing very beautiful coffees in South India. If you go to Araku, did anybody of you people have ever visited Araku? It's like, have you ever gone to Vizag? Anybody of you people have ever visited Vizag? Anybody? No one. Okay, if you get chances, if you ever get chances to go for Vizag, then never miss to go Araku Valley. In this Araku Valley, you will see the Anantagiri coffee plantation. You will see Anantagiri coffee plantation. Okay, in this Anantagiri coffee plantation, you could able to see how the coffees are being planted, how the coffees are being cultivated, and planted. Okay, so this is basically the introduction of coffee. So this is the history. You will read that. No need of reading history. Now this all are the coffee plants. Next day we will start with this coffee plant. We have given a brief introduction of the coffee. Next day we will see. This is the life journey of the coffee, from flower to green seeds, from green seeds to red seeds, to this white seeds, from this white seeds to this color, then this color, then we roast it and make the exact coffee beans. Then we ground the coffee beans, and then we infuse this roasted coffee beans in the water and extract the decoction, and we use it as a coffee. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
This much is for today.
Yes, sir.
This much is for today. Next day we will do again. Okay, tomorrow we have to come in the college. Every students are requested to come in the college. Every students are requested to come in the college.